Hey everybody, it's KSB Bombshell and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I create this DIY scrub to get rid of dry skin. So to start, you're going to need a clean container for mixing, a spoon, and this is optional. I use a popsicle stick to get anything that gets stuck onto the spoon off. Next, you're going to need your favorite oil, and I'm using 365 organic coconut oil. Next, you'll need some honey, and I'm using Simply Nature's organic wildflower honey. Once you have all of your ingredients on hand, we're going to start with our coconut oil first, and we're going to be measuring this out by teaspoons, and we're going to be taking 2 teaspoons of the coconut oil and mixing it into our bowl. Start mixing your coconut oil if you haven't already liquefied it to break it down. Continue to do this until you have a smooth, creamy consistency, or you can pop it into the microwave for a few seconds to help you out. This is what it should look like once you're done, and now we are on to our honey. Now we're going to take equal parts honey, that will be 2 teaspoons, and we're going to mix it right into our coconut oil. The honey is sometimes kind of hard to get out of the container, but a tip for this is to warm it a little before using it. Now we're going to blend our 2 ingredients together, which is our coconut oil and our honey. They might not blend completely together, but once we add in our brown sugar, they will start to bind together. Next, we're going to start adding our brown sugar, and we're going to take 3 teaspoons and add it to the mixture. We aren't taking equal parts with this ingredient, but we're going to add a little more to ensure that the sugar doesn't dissolve and still has that exfoliating property. Now we're just going to be folding in the ingredients together so it starts to form that thick texture. Once all of those ingredients were mixed together, I noticed that the scrub was a little too wet for me, so I'm going to be adding in 1 more teaspoon of brown sugar. The ingredients we're using in this scrub are essential for really rough, dry, cracked skin, so this makes it perfect for winter. Scrub all done and ready to use. So I'm going to do a quick demo on my hand for you guys to see just how it works. Using the scrub, you can add this directly onto wet or dry skin. So you want to take small circular motions, and that'll begin to exfoliate any dry skin right off of you. Once you've gently massaged it in, next it's time to rinse it off, and I prefer to rinse it off with warm water. So here are the results. On one hand, the scrub has been used on it, and the other hand has not. Here I'm just taking my scrub and transferring it into a jar where I can keep it stored in my bathroom. can't wait for you guys to try this scrub out and let me know how it was down in the comment section below. Ingredients in this scrub is all natural and even edible, so it's safe to use all over your entire body. Thank you all so much for watching, and if you want more DIY videos, thumbs up this video and I will see you guys in my next one. As always, please like, subscribe, and also hit the notification bell down below to know when I upload a new video.